Got a 3-ton change out here today. Corey's getting the pad set. Run a new line set. Open up this wall, put it right back where it was. Got a case coil. Hopefully I can get that set on this furnace. Probably just cut off that plenum and throw a little short piece with the flange part of it on top of my coil. Hopefully. That's an old ICP, so they got the weird, that's probably, I don't know how wide that is. But we'll figure it out. I'm kind of doing this one on the fly. Homeowner called me at 10:30 last night and bought this one over the phone. And had him take some measurements this morning. Thought we had coil that would just drop on here, but obviously it's a little bit narrower than the furnace, so I took some coil rails and just made 4 sides and screwed them together here. And then I'll just hack off the plenum and put the old canvas back on. Perfect. Corey's almost done out here, all wired up. So I'm falling behind. I got to get to work. Got this wrapped up. I'm just trying to get the AC turned on right now. After we check that out, I'm going to check this furnace, make sure it's safely running. New line set. We got our new case coil. A little transition made out of rails. Cut off the plenum. Bent in a 1/2 inch on the bottom. Set right down there. Just need the AC to turn on. We are checking this furnace out. I just cleaned the burners. And the flame sensor, gas pressure was right where you'd like to see it, about 3.3. Just gonna leave that and waiting on my analyzer to count down here. Nice. Better than a brand new one. O2 should be between 6 and 10. CO air free should be less than 400 parts per million. It's at 43. And CO2 is perfect, 6.7. Flute temperature 355. That's about normal. Everything looks good. I'm going to turn the AC back on, button this up, and get out of here. It's a wrap.